Hello, today I just wanted to give a little bit of a demonstration of what I have been doing. I am going to now create the window, which is the first start, of my little circle bubble in the bottom left corner of the screen using Photoshop and OBS Studio. First thing that we're going to do in OBS Studio, I already did this, but I'm going to be showing it again. The first thing that we're going to be doing is I'm going to be creating a new document in Photoshop. Set the width and height at 1080. I put the resolution as 100, doesn't really matter. And we'll just call it circle or webcam mask. You can name it anything you'd like. Now circle for webcam mask. We set this with a black background. I don't know if you saw that. I'll just do that again. The background color is the background color, and I already have my background color selected over here as black. So we have a black. We're now going to go down to the shapes, and we're going to choose a shape. In this case, we have chosen a circle or an oval. We're now going to go ahead and take that circle or oval, and we're going to start at one corner of the screen, go to there, all the way across. We're now going to change that stroke to nothing and the fill to a white. Once that's saved as a white, we're going to go ahead and right click on over there. I'm going to rasterize this layer, and we're going to hit shift and then both layers are selected, and we're going to hit Control E, which is going to merge them, or you could go ahead and merge them through the merge layers. We're then going to save this for the web, and we're going to call this, first make sure that it's a PNG 24, uncheck transparency, so it's not a transparency. And we're going to save this as our circle for webcam mask. We'll save that, and we have that saved there. We're now going to go into OBS Studio. This is what our OBS Studio looks like. What we're going to do is in our settings here, we first set up display capture so that the entire display is captured as opposed to just the window that we were working in. So now this entire screen, in case you have multiple screens, is being used. And our scene is set up as a screen plus webcam template. You can go ahead and either use one or the other. And in your main screen, if you don't have anything else, you're going to choose your main screen. On your sources, you should have video capture device already. If not, you can add that to add your webcam. You can add your webcam by clicking OK, and it'll say what your webcam, in my case, it's a Logitech webcam, so we have that selected. And we have the audio set to audio capture only. I'm actually using, excuse me, a Yeti microphone, so which I would like to use to capture the audio. So I'm going to use my Yeti microphone instead of using my webcam audio as the source for my audio. Once we have display capture, we're going to go ahead on the, let's delete this because we do not need this since we have one there ready. And on our display capture, we're going to go ahead on, I think it's actually on our scene. On our main screen, we're going to go to, on the webcam source, which is over here, we're going to go to our video capture device. And by right clicking, go to filters. And we're going to go ahead and add a filter, image mask blend. Click on that. And in the image mask blend, you're going to choose a type as alpha mask. And we're going to browse for our circle that we put in. And in this case, our circle for webcam. You can click on that. And the color should be automatically FFFFFF, which is black. And we're going to click OK or close. And now we're going to have a little circle in there. If you want to change how much is in there with the ratio, how large it is or small it is, you can do that by clicking Alt on your computer and then right dragging or left dragging. You can change the size of how much border there is around. And now you have created a mask in which you can view yourself and continue your screen recording. I'm going to now go to my display capture. We're going to move this away from there. And we're back to Photoshop with me as a little bubble in the right corner. Hope this helps and enjoy.